Welcome back. I'm Larry. I want to be changing the dome light bezel in my truck because you can see it's just dull. The chrome's kind of just gone and faded, and it's kind of spread apart. You can see how it's looped right there where the lens keeps falling off. This is a brand new unit. I picked up from CJ Pony Parts, and it's a pretty good looking unit. 4 Phillips head screws that we got to remove. This here is your connector. So the screw goes through there and creates contact. Line our dial pin up with the hole. Like so. Okay, that looks pretty good. This is the original style of this white frosted lens here, but they dull down the lighting a lot. So I picked up one of these clear ones, and I've had this one for a while. I didn't just get it, I've had it for a little bit. I got it from Dennis Carpenter, and they're about $10 lens, no matter which one you buy. All right, that's a tight fit. Just go reconnect our battery and see how it looks. All right, so as a quick little update, I changed the bulb out in this light because it was just too dull. Like now you can see it's really nice and bright in here. It's the Sylvania Long Life 561. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.